Statements by members.
Member for Surrey Green Timbers.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Today, I would like to extend my best wishes to Muslim Canadians as they celebrate Eid Miladun-Nabi, the birth of the Prophet Muhammad. One of the largest celebrations of the year, Eid Miladun-Nabi marks the birth, life, and teachings of the Prophet Muhammad. To make it even more special, Mr. Speaker, I stand before the House today in recognition of Islamic Heritage Month. It is a wonderful opportunity to highlight the perseverance and generosity of Muslim communities and to learn more about the history of Islam in Canada. Our Muslim sisters and brothers have a rich history of contributions in BC, whether it's in arts, culture, academics, or business. And these contributions consolidate the depth and diversity of an abundantly multicultural province. While this is a time to celebrate the community, we also know that the community has experienced significant challenges over the past few years. We have seen a notable increase in hateful attacks against Muslims across Canada and British Columbia, a substantial increase in anti-Muslim comments on social media, and in incidents of women being attacked for wearing hijab. And these are just the incidents that are actually reported. Hate has no room in our province, and it takes all our collective voices to stand in solidarity against hate. I'm proud of our commitment to tackle race-based and faith-based hatred, as well as discrimination of all kinds in this province. And it heartens me that we are moving forward on anti-racism data legislation, which will help pave the way to a more equitable and more inclusive province. Last but not least, Mr. Speaker, I would like to ask my colleagues here in the House and others around the province to join in celebrating the Islamic Heritage Month by participating in local events in your community and learn more about various Islamic cultures and traditions that make our province so culturally rich and diverse. Thank you.